Hey guys, today I just wanted to make a really quick tutorial kind of on how to get the certified Discord moderator badge on your Discord profile. Now, this is what it looks like. They give the certified moderator badge basically to important people and sort of kind of influential people, I guess, who have good moderation skills and have dedication to the platform. Now, the big reason why lots of people want this is because obviously you can kind of flex and that kind of thing. But I know that they're actually taking some people who get this moderator badge and giving them, access to certain servers and that kind of thing. I'm sure that's definitely in the plans for the future. Now, those who have the badge, it'll show up on your profile when you click somebody's name, just like this example they have here. Now, how to get it is, I mean, easy-ish if you kind of know what you're doing. Now, on discord.com/moderation, which I linked in the video description, if you go here, this is basically what they call the Moderator Academy, I believe. Now, Discord created a very nice tutorial on a bunch of stuff here, basically like how to become a Discord moderator and how to do your job well. Everything like that is all really outlined in all these guides. They're just really helpful, honestly, if you're new to the platform or if you just want to take a look at what's going on. Now, to get the badge, you have to go to the bottom of any one of these articles and click on the Discord moderator exam. Now, I'm not going to fill it out with my actual information or any answers, just for, it's kind of cheating, and you guys should know what you're doing if you're applying for the Discord moderator exam, or if you're taking the exam, sorry. So you'll just fill out all the forms. So you put in your username, your ID, if you're 18 or older, and then you give a little bit of info here. So that's all of that stuff. Next, they're going to ask you, I think it's 19 or 20 multiple choice questions. Once you're done filling those out, oh, of course I have to put something. These are obviously not the correct answers. I'm just putting this out there so that you guys know you know, what's going on. I just want to show kind of exactly what the whole quiz and test and everything looks like, just so that you guys know. It is like kind of long-ish. So it's those few questions at the start, these 20 multiple choice questions, and oh, never mind. So I guess this is what's going on. So what'll happen is, okay, this is actually brand new for me too. I think what happens is, so let's go back to the exam. So if you put in your stuff for the exam, if you fill out the info, if you fail the test, I don't think they reach out to you. Because after you fill out all this information, then at the very end, after the multiple choice questions, it asks you a little bit more info about yourself and kind of what you've done for experience on Discord. Now, I think if you fail the test, I don't think they let you have access to those extra instructions. And what I've heard from somebody who actually got the certified moderator badge is that what'll happen is if you get accepted, you will get an email with a link to the Discord certified moderator server or something like that. Now, in the server, I think there is another exam or something like that you have to take. So you need to know what you're doing for sure. So honestly, the biggest step is to, if it's a rainy day or something like that, I would read through this Moderator Academy, just because not only is it going to help you get the badge, which is probably your ultimate goal, but you need to be able to actually function with the badge and do what your job is going to be. So, yeah, I hope this helped at least a little bit. I linked both the moderation site and this kind of quick breakdown of what the badge is for and how to get it, kind of like exactly what I just told you. But yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in the description. I'm happy to answer any of them. And yeah, that's about it. Have a good one, you guys. Thanks for coming by. Like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Bye.